Let's explore how to use the sand calculator on the Gardener page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Gardener page. Click on the Sand Calculator accordion title bar to access this resource. This calculator allows you to estimate sand requirements quickly and accurately. With its easy-to-use interface, simply choose your dimensions and measurement units, enter the project volume, and select the material and price unit. After inputting the price, click the equals icon to instantly view the total sand volume, tonnage, and cost, all calculated in real time. You can clear, copy, or share your results directly, making it easy to coordinate with your team or vendors. Whether you're managing an office renovation, property project, outdoor spaces, or garden improvement, Toolkit.law's sand calculator ensures every decision is precise, efficient, and budget-conscious. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's sand calculator.